Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to clean the proxies on Wondershare Filmora. So first, go to the dashboard and then click here. Then click Preferences. Okay, now we have to go to the Media Cache. Here, you'll be able to see the proxy files that you're using. So ideally, if you've been doing a lot of video editings, you'll see tons of files here and a lot of megabytes here. But for me, I just have only 8 files and 176 megabyte proxy files. So we're going to click clear. See, it's been deleted. We don't have any proxy files stored on the our hard drive and it's gone. So another easy way is like to turn this on. So it says like automatically delete proxies when a project is closed. So if you're not using the same project over and over again, so you just select this and when you finish downloading or exporting the file, you can just delete the project and it will automatically delete all the proxies it created. So this is the way to delete the proxies on Filmora. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.